we have initially discussed regarding the Oracle applications. So can you tell me what is your understanding as of today? What is the Oracle Fusion application, please?
Yeah, for my knowledge, fusion means like that combination of one or many things. And
Okay.
Oracle is one like
Mhm.
a database. In the database, means all things are mentioning like one table.
Okay, sure. So let's start. We'll try to understand the basic concept of ERP first of all. Okay, ERP. Okay, what is ERP? What do you mean by ERP? What is the full form of ERP?
Yeah, enterprise resource planning.
Okay, let's say enterprise, then resource
Planning.
planning. This is ERP.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you mean by enterprise?
Enterprise means like entity.
Okay, entity. Fine. What else we can say?
We can say like companies and
Okay, company. And what else we can say? That's all. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So, but better you call it as business group. You can say
Yeah,
business
yeah, business
group.
group.
Why? Because whatever we have discussed, like let's say you said the enterprise is nothing but the you can say, let's say, let's call it as enterprise. Okay. So let's say Tata is an enterprise. Okay.
Hmm.
Under
Yeah.
Tata, you may have Tata Motors. It's an entity, right?
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
uh, you can say one more entity is like, for
Steel.
example,
Tata Steel.
consulting services is nothing
Yeah,
but
consult.
consulting services. Okay.
Hmm.
So consulting and steel and all, we have a lot of, okay. But as of just for understanding, I'm giving this basic idea. So you said entity means we can say motors is an entity which is registered in India and also it is registered in USA. Okay. Consulting is also an entity.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can say, just for your simple understanding, Motors is an entity of Tata Group, which is registered in
Yeah.
India. Okay.
Hmm.
And consulting is a entity which is registered in USA. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's understand this is two different entities. Under that, you may have multiple business units and all. We will discuss that. So, like this way, first we will understand enterprise is nothing but a business group. It can be Tata, it can be Reliance, it can be Birla, okay, anything, etc., etc. Here, enterprise is that. What is resources? What do you mean by resources? For a company, for an organization, for a business group, what kind of resources will be there for them to run their operations and functions, production and
Yeah.
sales
Hmm.
and
Like
everything?
many types of systems, many types of software.
Not necessary.
Hmm.
It may be, but some scenarios, let's say, for example, any company you take. So generally, ideally, we can have man, okay,
Hmm. Yeah,
machine,
man.
okay,
Hmm.
like this way. Any, you can say water, okay, you can say
Plant.
uh, land, okay, etc., etc. So these different types of uh,
Resource.
resources will be there for use. Any
Hmm.
organization will have these type of resources. To manage these resources, let's say one company, one organization called uh, Tata Consulting Services. So they will majorly have what kind of resource? Human resource, right?
Yeah.
Because it's a IT based company. They need more human resource. They don't need much water, land and all. In a small place also, they can construct one building and they can start doing their providing their services. But if you take an example of Tata Motors, so motors need big land and more water to manufacture motor industry and all. So different type of resources will be required for the different type of
different
organizations. Yeah. So to manage these resources, we use enterprise resource planning applications, business applications. Okay. ERP applications, we will call it as ERP applications.
Yes.
Okay. This is how you can say. Next, what else? Okay. Now we have lot of different ERP applications in the market. Okay. We have Oracle Corporation, which is providing the ERP applications, and we have we call it as Microsoft is also providing the ERP systems, and SAP and Odoo. Like this way, etc., etc. You can say many companies are providing ERP systems. Now we will understand in Oracle Corporation what all the different ERPs they are providing. Okay. Now first we will understand on-premise model and cloud model ERPs. Okay. Can you tell me what is the on-premise model ERP of Oracle Corporation?
No, sir, no idea.
Okay. So let's understand here. So let's say Oracle EBS is an on-premise model of Oracle Corporation. And if you come to MS Microsoft, they have some Navision. Okay. And if you come to SAP Corporation, they are also having their on-premise model SAP ECC or some B1. Okay. And if you go to the EBS, they have Oracle EBS and they have Oracle 11i. It's an old product. Okay. Now, Odoo, I don't know actually. You can check online. Okay. So next, coming to the cloud ERPs, we have Fusion, which is in the leading position. Okay. Oracle Fusion, cloud ERP, and Microsoft Dynamics MS D365. They have ERP, and FNO. Actually, 365 is some other thing. It is actually complete is ERP product name is FNO, Finance and Operations, you can say. Okay. SAP also have their some HANA kind of product. So like this way, different type of corporations are providing the different type of ERP systems. But everybody's concern is to fulfill the need of the organization to manage their resources. Okay. This is how. Now where we are standing at the Oracle Fusion ERP, which is a cloud ERP. Now you got the clarity what is the Oracle Fusion?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oracle Fusion is the ERP system.
Which ERP system? Cloud ERP system.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will try to understand. Now let's take the Oracle Fusion. In this cloud ERP Oracle Fusion, what all different types of we have operations, you can say offerings. Okay. Companies will have some financial operations. Companies will have some human resource. Okay. Human resources. Okay. And they may have finance resources. They may have human resources, and company will have different projects. Okay. And you can say they need some supply chain.
SCM, HCM.
Yeah. So for that, Oracle Fusion is providing financial offering, Oracle Financials. You can say Oracle Finance offering and HCM offering and PPM, Project Portfolio Management, offering, and SCM, supply chain management, offering, and additionally, if you can go CRM, Oracle CRM means CX, you can say, okay? So very rare combination, and you can say EPM also, enterprise portfolio management. So, but these are the basic ERP offerings are provided by Oracle, offering by the Oracle Corporation's cloud ERP system. Okay. Now you got the clarity?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, again, now we are standing it. We are going to learn about the Oracle Finance offering. Okay. In this Oracle Finance offering, what all we have? We have the different types of, you can say, modules or areas. Okay. That is general ledger.
Yeah.
What
Account
else?
payable. Account
Payable.
payable. Account receivable.
Account receivable. And what else?
Project. Fixed asset.
Fixed assets.
Cash management.
Cash management. Perfect. Then
Tax.
Okay. So now we are going to learn these things. Okay. You can say these are all different modules or areas we are going to cover in this course. Okay. So here we will start with the general ledger. Okay.
Okay.
In general ledger, because let's say, just a minute. Okay. Here GL is a base. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
GL
you
is
can
a
say AP, AR,
AP, then AR.
whatever it is. Then
Yeah.
you can say
Then
these other
tax.
modules, okay, like PO or inventory. For finance perspective, I'm telling. Okay. So this SCM things. Okay. So that's why, first of all, we have to understand about the GL because it's a base module. All are standing upon the GL module. Why it is base module? Because finally, let's say, you can say vice versa situation we will take. Okay, let's try to take the vice versa situation. Okay, yeah. Finally, what happens? Everything will fall to the data will come to GL itself. Okay, the data will come to GL. Okay, from PO, inventory. Okay, the data and transactions are all fall to which modules? AP, AR type of subledger modules. And finally, from AP, AR, what happens? The data will, transaction data will come to general ledger. Okay.
General ledger.
Yeah. So from this general ledger, what happens? Finally, from this, you can get the what? Reporting. Or else you can say
Profit and loss. Financial.
All financial reports. Our major concern is what? To get this report, we should manage this all, right? You have to manage PO, inventory and all. Okay. And whatever the other areas, it's not specific to this. Okay. So these are all, you can say, finally, in the general ledger, we can get the what? Financial reports. Okay. In this, you can say balance sheet.
Balance sheet, profit and loss preparation account.
Yeah, profit P&L account, you can say. And what
PL
else
account,
you can?
trading account. Trading account.
The trading and all, everything, whatever you want, the majorly the financial reports, you can get it in the GL. When you can get, when you have set up the base, on top of this, subledger modules will be based, and then you can get the data from the subledger modules, and ultimately it comes to the general ledger. Okay. General ledger module will give you the financial reports. Okay. So here, now you have to start the basic pillars. What all the basic pillars of the, you can say, let's say this is general ledger module. Okay. And now
Okay.
this is standing on some basis. Okay. This is standing on some basis. What is that? We have to understand. Let's say one pillar of this is two pillars. Let's say three pillars, four pillars. Let's understand some of the pillars of general ledger module, right? Let's assume this is what? General ledger. So in general ledger, your voice is breaking. Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Okay, am I audible?
No, thank God you are audible. Okay. So we have multiple primary ledgers, right? What we have? We have primary ledgers
Multiple primary ledgers.
in general ledger. So for each primary ledger, you have some base things. It stands on the some basic things. What is that? Currency, calendar. You can say calendar. Okay. Currency, calendar, and what? Currency, calendar, chart of account. You can say chart of account. Chart of account is the basic thing. And then next is, you can say convention method.
Sir,
Convention
COA
method.
full form? COA full form?
Chart of account.
Chat off.
Yeah.
Chat of account. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So these four pillars are there, right? Okay. These four things are based on this primary ledger will stand, right?
Yeah.
Got my point?
Yeah,
These
got
are the
it.
four things. So now we'll try to understand about the primary ledger. Okay. So what is primary ledger? Is nothing but, you can say it's a book where you will keep for each your business. You can keep one business, country wise or your line of business wise, you will keep one book. Okay. That is called primary ledger books. Okay. So where you have to follow.
Means like bookkeeping.
Yeah. Where you have to follow the golden rules of accounting. Golden rules of accounting will be followed for this recording of this book. Any transaction, if you wanted to record to this book, so you have to follow what? Personal, real, nominal, yeah, accounting rules. These are the three basic, what? These are the three.
Personal, real, and nominal.
Yeah. These are the accounting rules you have to follow, right?
Yeah.
Now, on this basis, debit and credit. These two will be recorded. Debit line and the credit line.
Credit line.
Yeah. So now we have to start understanding the currencies. Okay. Let's say currency. So for currencies, what all different currencies available? We have USD, INR, okay, and AED, Arab Emirate dollars. You can say SAR, Saudi Riyal, for example, and you can say pound or whatever. Okay. So like this way, you have many currencies, standard currencies. Okay. And calendar. Calendar also, you have the one calendar which start, let's say January 1st, and it goes December 31st.
31.
Yeah. And sometimes financial calendars like April.
Yeah. 1st April to 31st March.
Yeah. 31st March.
Accounting year.
These two type of different calendars will be there. So we have one calendar type calendar and fiscal type calendars. Okay. So these two different type of calendars will be there. And coming to the chart of account. Chart of account, what happens in chart of account? We will get segments. Okay. Why we are taking these segments? Basically, what happens if any transaction you wanted to record? Okay, we don't know the entire hierarchy of the organization, but let's say some particular sale is happened. So you should know under which legal entity, under which business unit, under which location, and what product you have sold. These are all should be recorded, right? To record that,
Yeah.
you should have all the segments like company, department, and your let's say some product, some business unit, and some if you want you can say some line of business. Like this way, some account, which particular account you have uh, noted this. Okay, so like this way you may have different types of segments that we will discuss in detail level each and everything. Okay, and next what we will have, the fourth one is Anjali. What is the fourth one? Are you there? Hello.
Okay. 12 method. Yeah, I'm there.
Ah,
Am I
okay,
audible?
okay. Now you're audible.
I'm yeah.
No issues.
Fourth one is the accrual method.
Yeah, accrual or convention method, you can say. So in that, let's
Yeah.
say we have some standard, global standard accrual method, standard accrual methods. This will follow the standard rules as per the international accounting rules. And sometimes your client is based on US, okay, United States. So you will take US GAAP. Okay. Otherwise,
Yeah.
sometimes some Middle East or European kind of clients are there. They are following some accounting rules like IFRS. Okay. So like this way, etc., etc. Some globally recognized accounting standard accrual methods are there. So that can, anyone can be followed by the client, right? So
Right.
these things we have to understand and we have to design accordingly. Okay. So now we will see this. Okay, how we can do these are all. So before that, today, anyways, I have just because random